In the quiet of the evening, as the sun dips below the horizon, I see you've had quite a busy day, and now it's time to say goodnight to our dear friends on the farm. Hello, Mr. Rooster on the fence, with your bright red comb and feathery tail. You woke everyone up with your cheerful crow this morning. Now, it's time for you to rest your head. Good night, Mr. Rooster. Hello, busy little hens in the cozy coop, scratching and pecking in the straw. You laid lots of eggs today. Now, it's time to settle in your nests. Good night, busy little hens. Hello, Mrs. Cow in the green pasture, chewing cud beneath the moonlit sky. You gave us plenty of creamy milk today. Now, it's time to lie down in the soft grass. Good night, Mrs. Cow. Hello, playful piglets in the muddy puddle, oinking and rolling around. You had so much fun today. Now, it's time to snuggle up in your cozy pen. Good night, playful piglets. Hello, curious lambs by the old oak tree, nibbling on tender leaves. You explored and learned lots of new things today. Now, it's time to curl up. Good night, curious lambs. Hello, ducks in the sparkling pond, with your feathers all afloat. You splashed and swam under the warm sun. Now, it's time to glide on the water. Good night, ducks. Hello, wise old owl, keeping watch over the night. You hooted softly, guiding us with your wisdom. Now, it's time to close your eyes. Good night, owl. And now, my dear friends, it's time for all of you to join me in spreading goodnight wishes to everyone on the farm. Good night, Mr. Rooster. Good night, busy little hens. Good night, Mrs. Cow. Good night, playful piglets. Good night, curious lambs. Good night, ducks. Good night, owl. As the night falls softly and the stars shine so bright, it's time for the farm to rest in the tranquil night. Good night, dear little ones. Sleep peacefully and dream sweetly.